Okay, na. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down na nga ro doon, anak ko. Sit down. Hi. Hi, ka na. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh. Magla-lesson tayo today. Na, sit down nga ro. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Nyati unaan ta. Oh, this one. Colors. Colors. Sit down ka, anak kong. Sit down. Oh, colors. Red. Blue. Yellow. Green, purple, orange, pink, black, white. Very good. Oh, tatapa question ng ka. Oh, asan dyan ang color yellow? Yellow. Very good. Asan ang color red? Oh, asan ang color red? Very good. Asan ang color purple? Purple. Very good. Naglaing matin. Asan ang color pink? Pink. Wow. Color white. Adi white nga anak kong white. Asan ang color white? Oh, ay natangamin kulay white didan? Asan? Very good. Aji nga rod ko. Color green. O, asan ang color green? Wow, naglay. Asan ang color blue? Blue. Wow. Last. Asan ang color black? Black. Black ni. At ini black. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Oh, next. Next. Oh, ate mat. Occupations. Agijay. Professionals. Oh, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Oh. At ito ang painter. Astronaut. Baker. At taka ni anak.